Good morning, Tom. Time to wake up.
5 more minutes, please?
It's already 7 o'clock, sweetie.
Just 5 more minutes, Mom. Please?
Okay, 5 minutes. But then you must get up. Oh, Maya, you're awake already?
Yes, Mom. Good morning.
Good girl. Hurry and get ready for school, okay?
Good morning, buddy. Did you sleep well?
Tom. Good morning, my boy.
Hi, Dad. I'm so hungry.
I made toast for breakfast. Sit down.
Oh, Maya. Good morning.
Good morning, Dad. Dad, I have a test today at school.
A test? That's good, Tom.
I studied very hard. I think I will get a very high score.
That's wonderful, Tom. We believe in you.
I studied hard too. I'm ready for my test.
I think you can do very well, Tom.
Eat your breakfast, you two. School starts soon.
Tom, if you get a good score today, Dad will be very proud of you.
Really, Dad?
Hi. Really? Maya, do your best at school.
I will, Dad. Thank you.
Hurry now, both of you. The school bus comes soon. Almost done with this section.
I need to check my work on the last page. I got an A. Look, Maya, an A.
Congratulations, Tom. I got an A too.
Good. But I knew I would get an A.
I studied very hard. It was not easy.
Let's go home. Mom and Dad will be so happy. Yes.
Let's go home. I can't believe we finished the project on time.
Let's tell them right away.
Yeah, let's go.
Dad, I'm home. I have great news.
Hello, Tom. How was school?
I got an A on my test. Look.
An A. I knew you could do it, Tom.
Oh, Tom, you're so smart. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad. Dad, I also got an A.
Oh, very good, Maya.
Tom, you've made such wonderful progress. We're so happy.
Thank you, Mom.
That's nice, Maya. You did well.
Tom, come here. We have a surprise for you.
A surprise? For me?
Close your eyes, Tom. Don't look.
Open your eyes now.
A phone? For me? My own phone?
This is amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You worked hard. You deserve this reward.
What about me?
Maya, you're also very smart. But this gift for Tom.
Next time will be your turn, okay?
But I also got an A. You're such understanding, sister. You understand things better, Tom. That's why we love you so much, Maya.
Okay, Mom.
Can I look at your phone, Tom?
No. You might drop it.
I won't drop it. I just want... Look.
This is my gift. Mom and Dad gave it me. Maya, can you clean these toys? I'm playing.
These are my toys too, Tom.
But I'm busy.
You can clean, right?
Okay, Tom. Maya, can you do my homework for me?
What?
Your homework?
Yes. I want to play more. You're smart. Finish fast.
Tom, that's your homework. You shouldn't.
But I don't want. Please, Maya. Your sister.
Okay, Tom. I'll help you.
Wait. Look. Really, look what's happening.
I think we've been hurting Maya long.
Not I think. We have.
All the times Tom was difficult, we told Maya to understand. Tom got praised for little progress. Maya told she was always good.
She helps without being asked. We never really see her.
We have to fix this. Now!
Tom, put the phone down right now.
Yes, Dad?
What is Maya doing?
She's helping me with my homework a little.
Maya, did you want to do Tom's homework?
Then why did you do it?
I thought you'd say I'm not a good sister.
I thought I need to be even better for you. Maya, I'm so sorry. You don't have to suffer.
You don't have to be quiet to be good.
I don't hate Tom. I wanted you to see I tried hard.
Maya, I'm sorry. I was wrong.
What do you mean, Tom?
Huh?
I said mean things. I made you clean my toys.
I made you do my homework. I thought I was better than you. But that's not true. You study hard and help me.
I was not grateful.
I don't need your phone, Tom. I need respect. Not to treat it like something you deserve.
Tom, you must redo your homework from the beginning.
But Dad,
We'll discuss it later. Now, let's eat. Not punishment. Each person must do their own work.
Just take your time and focus on the details. You're doing great.
Okay, Dad. I think I got it now.
I don't get this one, Dad. It's too hard.
Take your time, son. You figured out the last one. Just focus on the steps.
Dad. Wait, no. I can do this myself. Maya, can you explain something?
So if you carry the 1 here, what does that give you?
Oh, right. That makes it 12. Thanks, Maya.
Thanks for helping me understand the last problem, Maya.
you're welcome, Tom. We make a good team.
Tom.
Tom, Maya, come to the living room.
Both of you got an A. We did not treat them the same.
That wasn't fair, and we're sorry. Maya, you have your own value, your own effort, your own feelings.
We are proud of you because you truly tried.
This is for you, because we see you.
What is this? Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad.
Tom, love doesn't mean you're more important than others.
I understand, Dad.
You need to share. Be grateful. Respect Maya.
I will, Dad. I won't treat Maya like she doesn't matter.
We will be fair to both of you. Every day. We know it hasn't been easy, but we are a family, and we'll work through this together.
I feel so much better now. I love you guys.
We love you too. Tom, you were very kind to your sister today.
And Maya, we noticed your patience and grace.
Thank you, Mom and Dad. Do you want to play a game with me? Because you really want to? Or because Mom and Dad asked? Because I really want to. I promise. Then yes, Tom. I want to play with you. Look, I got 3 points. You're next. I got 5. We're winning together. Do you feel it?
That they are happy now?
Yes. Really happy.
We did not know we were hurting her. We thought we were being fair.
Favoritism whispers. It does not shout. A longer compliment. A warmer hug. A gift to one.
While the other child watches.
Because Maya was quiet, we thought she did not hurt.
A child can be hurt by being invisible.
Fair means everyone feels equally seen, heard, and loved.
Okay. What do you want to play? Something we both like. We both tapped it at the same time.
Let's try to beat the high score again.
We have much to learn as parents.
But we are learning. Together. With them.
Couldn't ask for anything more.
You two are our whole world.